Please introduce yourself.
Today, ma'am, I'm Dina Opindo, 25 years old. I'm single and I'm the youngest of among 6 children.
Do you have any experience as a domestic helper before? Where?
Yes, ma'am, since 2011 to 2013 here in the Philippines.
Do you know how to take care of the children?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of the children?
I wake up early in the morning. I prepare their foods, their clothes. I'll bring them to the school, and after their class, I'll teach them, and I'll help them to do their homework.
Why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family.
So you said you take care of the children before. Can you sing a song for us?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you have any message to your prospective employer?